As the world steps into 2026, something quiet but powerful is happening in backyards, side yards, and small home gardens across the globe. Not on massive farms, not in factories, but right at home. From suburban homes in the United States, to compact yards in Nigeria, to family compounds in India, and green corners in Indonesia. People are rediscovering an old truth: that growing even a small portion of your own food is not just a hobby anymore. It's a smart decision, a calming decision, and for many families, a necessary one. This is not about perfection. It's not about having a big farm. And it's definitely not about spending a lot of money. This is about sustainable gardening at home. And why starting in 2026 might be one of the smartest choices you'll ever make. Why 2026 is a turning point. In recent years, we've seen rising food prices, unpredictable weather, and growing concerns about food quality. In the US, families are paying more for groceries than ever before. In Nigeria, market prices fluctuate weekly. In India and Indonesia, climate patterns are shifting planting seasons. But here's the quiet advantage. A small home garden gives you food security, cost savings over time, control over what goes into your food, and something most people underestimate: peace of mind. Sustainable gardening is not about growing everything you eat. It's about growing something consistently in your home. And when millions of households do that, the impact is massive. What sustainable gardening really means. Let's simplify it. Sustainable gardening at home means growing food in a way that works with nature, not against it. Using fewer chemicals. Conserving water. Improving soil year after year. Whether you have a small lawn in Texas, a fenced compound in Lagos, a modest yard in Kerala, or a semi-rural home in Java, the principles are the same. Healthy soil, right plants, smart water usage, and patience. Sustainability is not expensive. Starting small but smart. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is starting too big. A smart 2026 garden starts small and focused. For most homeowners, that means 1 or 2 garden beds, or a defined section of the yard, or even repurposed containers near the house. Focus on high-value, high-success crops. Tomatoes, peppers, leafy greens, water wisdom. Water is becoming more precious everywhere. Sustainable gardens don't waste water. They use mulching to reduce evaporation, early morning or evening watering, simple drip systems or reused containers. In dry regions of Nigeria or parts of India, this matters. In drought-prone areas of the US, it's essential. In tropical Indonesia, it prevents soil erosion. A smart garden respects water. The emotional reward people don't talk about. There's something deeply grounding about tending a garden. After a long day, you step outside. You touch the soil. You see growth that didn't exist weeks ago. This is therapy without a bill. Exercise without a gym. Food without uncertainty. Children learn patience. Adults regain calm. Families reconnect. This is why sustainable gardening lasts. Not because it's trendy, but because it heals something inside us. Common mistakes to avoid in 2026. Let's keep this practical. Avoid 1. Overplanting. 2. Ignoring your climate. 3. Overwatering. 4. Expecting perfection. Gardening is not social media. It's real life. It rewards attention, not speed. Progress beats perfection every time. As 2026 begins, you have a quiet opportunity. Not to chase trends. Not to overcomplicate life, but to plant something, nurture it, and watch it grow. A sustainable garden doesn't just change your yard. It changes how you think about food, time, and self-reliance. Before you go, what is your gardening goal for 2026? Is it tomatoes, herbs, greens, or simply starting? Drop it in the comments. Your goal might inspire someone else to begin. Don't miss our next video on the 5 crops every beginner should grow in 2026. Low effort, high reward. Thank you for watching.